Welcome to your new Mitel phone. First, we are going to show you how to change your ringtone. Select Options, put in your voicemail password and click down until you find Ringtone. You can listen to the different tones by pressing the internal button. Once you make your selection, hit OK. The next part we are going to look at is the State option. This option allows you to send all your calls to voicemail while you are on vacation. Your buttons will light up red so that you know it is set. Repeat this process to change it back to available when you return. Now we will create a conference call. Call one of the people joining the call and then click Conference. Call the second person and they will automatically combine for you. You can remove one person from the conference call by hitting Show and then Drop. From here, you could add another person if you'd like. The last item is the transfer option. You can easily do this by clicking Transfer and putting in the new number and then once again hitting Transfer. The person who you are transferring to will then receive the call. Please see the quick reference guide from the Springford Technology Department for more information.